Over my house after all that. Then he came down the street. This is the last part of it. Flew over my house right here, turned around right there. All really, really low though. Now he's coming back over my roof. He might catch a soccer ball this time. He did pick up a little bit of altitude. I would have too. Yeah, someone told him he picked up just enough. Miss him by like 10 feet. Won't get off my roof. And there goes a small white jet just by him. Now he's flying straight across my house out over 24181 because that's what all the planes do, just like the June 30th one. And there's a small white jet going down the center. Pulse. It's on just in my backyard. Pulse, continuation. Pulse, continuation. Pulse, 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 pulse. Left, right. Pulse, pulse left, left. Pulse right, left, left, right, left. Right, left, pulse right, left, right, center, pulse, left, right, in the center, left, right pulse, pulse. Now he's probably entering Eldorado Park right about now, pulse. Pulse, pulse, go to the left, right, and now it's really hard to see. It's a gradual acceleration centered to and then to the right, left, right, left, right. Now I can't see anything.